singular noun are of two types, singular noun and plural noun. Singular noun, a noun that refers to only one person, place, animal, thing or idea. Example: boy, girl, cat, bat, tree. Plural noun, a noun that refers to more than one person, place, animal, thing or idea. Example: cakes, girls, cats, books, trees. To understand the singular and plural noun, here are some examples. Kite, plural, kites. Flower, plural form, flowers. Pencil, pencils. Cat, cats. Boy, boys. Star, stars. Mug, mugs. Brick, bricks. Top, tops. Chair, chairs. Very good. Thank you for watching. For more such interesting and educational videos, please like, share and subscribe Tutorpedia.72.